Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at where you can buy altcoin easily. But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to this channel, like these videos, share these videos, so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. But all you just need to do is one thing. Stick to this video from the beginning to the end, so that you can easily understand where you can buy altcoin easily and sell easily and also make a rational profit for yourself. So let's quickly dive into that. So I'll start by looking at what altcoin is. Altcoins means all cryptocurrency except Bitcoin. That's a simple definition of altcoins. Any other cryptocurrency that you know, that you're trading currently, or that you have come across, or that have ever been listed is called an altcoin, except Bitcoin. So the examples of those popular altcoins, we have ETH, which is the Ethereum, you all know that. We have BNB, Solana known as SOL, and XRP, which is a Ripple, and a lot of them. So any other cryptocurrency you know that is not Bitcoin, then it's called an altcoin. So this takes us to the type of this altcoin we're talking about. We have the utility tokens. Those ones are actually used to pay bills, fuels, and lots more. We have the stable coins. What are those stable coins you know? The USDT is a stable coin, the USDC, and any other of them. Then in this game, we also have what we call memes coin. Okay, all those meme coins are also falls under these altcoins. So these meme coins, as you all know, we have the Doge, we have the Pepe coins, and lots more. Okay, so all those ones are called the altcoins. We also have what we call the DeFi finance. Okay, the DeFi finance, we have the AAV and only of these other coins that falls under DeFi finance. So, and don't forget, the major reasons for this video is where you can buy the altcoins easily. Now I'll show you. Where you can actually buy these altcoins easily, there are a lot of those exchanges you can buy these altcoins easily. But the exchange I use, of which I recommend you to use it, is CoinX. You can buy any of your cryptocurrency coin easily on CoinX. You can look at it, go to the coin status, the spots, the feature, and lot more of it. If you want to trade the feature coins, you can go there. And if you want to trade the spot trading coins, you can still go there on the CoinX. They are all available for you. So all those altcoins you're looking for, they are all available on the CoinX. You can go there by searching through the market, or you can search through your search bar in order for you to look for the particular cryptocurrency coin you want to buy. If you want to buy the Pepe coin, which falls under memes coin, you can just search it and buy it. If you want to also buy the Doge, you can go to the search bar button as well, search for the particular coin, which is Doge, and start trading it. You can buy altcoin easily on CoinX and also sell it easily on CoinX. You can also easily buy it when it's down in price and sell when the price goes up, whether pump or not, and make a rational profit. So CoinX is actually the best place you should be. It's actually the best place you can trade. It's actually the best place you can buy your altcoins. So what are you waiting for? Quickly navigate yourself to your Play Store. Download this particular CoinX. I'll drop the link at the description section to make it easier for you to download and sign up. Make your KYC. Make a little deposit in order for you to start trading your altcoins. So the best place you can buy the altcoins remains the CoinX. So if you find value from this very video, do what to subscribe, like these videos, share as well, so that a lot of people can benefit and also gain value from it.